There was a bit of a confusion with the paths. We started a more steeper path. Yeah? So we are on track. Apart from that, we met 3 people from Guatemala who are hiking here as well. And therefore we know we are on the correct track. And there's so much plastic here that it's a clear indication that this route is well and often walked. It's getting steeper and steeper. Lisa is somewhere behind, I don't know. She's having a break. But if I lose the momentum, I'll just start being cold. And we are quite bad on timing. She's fast, we should catch up. Whew. Better get faster, but I'm running out of water. It's no fun. No dangerous men reported so far, but I didn't yet get to an end. There was one guy, when we met this American couple, there was one guy asking them, "Are you only 2 of you?" Blah blah blah. And they are like, "No, there's a group ahead of us, but we just don't know where they've turned." That was a smart thing to say. The girl lives in Mexico, so probably she knows more or less what's the style of answering. The hike itself is not as pretty as I would have imagined after having read many reviews. Or maybe it's the view that's more worth the effort. I hope so. Going down will be quite demanding, and I didn't bring enough water. How smart of me. There are less and less trees, but it's still not the end. I'm really quite tired. It's not a difficult walk, but it's like constantly steep. You never go flat. That's the flattest bit. We can actually finally see something and not just the trees surrounding us. Lisa, do you know what's that? Yeah. That's where the actually steeper part starts. Off we go. The nicest bit start, but I'm totally out of power.